government's all-out ban on POGOs unfortunately caused those who work in such ventures to lose their means of living. Fortunately, the Department of Labor and Employment has programs and various types of assistance to help these displaced workers get the right track again. PTV's Vian Manalo supplies the details.
Ana Victoria is one of the applicants who attended the job fairs of the Department of Labor and Employment for displaced POGO workers in the country. This after President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. banned all POGO activities and operations in the Philippines until the end of the year. She said this is a huge help for people like her who are looking for a job.
Maraming salamat po sa DOLE na sa mga project ng DOLE dahil sa DOLE is nagkaroon kami ng opportunity na magkaroon ng trabaho.
In total, the DOLE has held 4 special job fairs in different places in Metro Manila. More than 200 internet gaming licensees or IGL workers are hired on the spot. More than 400 applicants have been helped to avail of SSS unemployment insurance benefit. More than 700 IGL employees have been included in employment facilitation. More than 100 IGL workers will receive livelihood assistance, and with 2 IGL workers subjected to skills or technical training.
Bagamat kami ay nakafocus doon sa mga manggagawa ng mga legitimate operators ng IGL, Internet Gaming Licenses, hindi po namin tatalikuran yung mga manggagawa na nanggaling sa mga illegal.
Meanwhile, the average employment rate in the country increased by more than 1%. That is equivalent to over 48 million Filipinos who are recorded to be employed, higher or paid over the average or minimum wage than over 47 million individual last year. The recorded average of unemployment rate in the country dropped by more than 1%. A slight slipping in average underemployment was also reported.
Sisiguraduhin po namin na tutulungan namin yung mga lalapit sa DOLE, yung mga hindi lalapit, kami po ay magre-reach out either sa pamamagitan po ng DOLE services or PESO.
The agency promotes Project DAPAT or the DOLE Action Plan and Transition Project for a better transition of POGO workers. From PTV Manila, Bien Manalo, Balitang Pambansa.